Hello, and welcome to Fixture Fridays. As major manufacturers look for ways to produce a high-performance, price-competitive product, we are beginning to see some significant changes in all system components. LED efficacy and versatility continue to improve, drivers are becoming smaller, yet more complex, and housing and heat management systems are getting smaller and lighter weight. While these advances are bringing the costs down significantly, they are, in many cases, rendering the final product a single-use solution with few or no replaceable parts. Our most common request is for boards and/or drivers. As we all know, the first component to fail is almost always going to be the driver. Since manufacturers already have a surplus of standard ballast cans, it made perfect sense to use these to house driver components. However, there was a lot of unused space, and the practice of using a driver housing to manage heat has all but ceased. With the exception of outdoor luminaires, technology indicates that conventional canned drivers will be replaced by standalone circuit board drivers, and eventually will be on the same circuit board as the LED array. So you may ask, why would I want a luminaire if I cannot replace the parts? Good question, but we have to consider it in light of the monumental industry changes. We no longer live in a world of legacy systems that included ballasts, lamps, sockets, etc. Consider that most of the luminaires we sell now, indoor especially, are essentially a one-use item. Here's an example. It took 32 screws and about 10 minutes just to get into this fixture to where the driver is housed. That's not practical in the field. By the time the LED array board reaches its end of useful life, there will almost certainly be a more efficient, less expensive replacement fixture that will be much simpler to replace than trying to replace internal components. For luminaires that we've sold which contain replaceable components, our manufacturer will continue to replace these for as long as the components are available. But as technology allows for consolidation of these components, we anticipate that the practice of offering replacement components will continue to decline. If you're uncertain whether a fixture you've sold has replaceable components or not, feel free to drop us an email or a question on the Fixtures app. Thanks for watching this week's edition of Fixture Fridays.